Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are going to talk about beautiful hand embroidery designs and ideas. Hand embroidery is a wonderful art that allows you to create lovely pattern using a needle, thread and fabric. It is a relaxing hobby that can be enjoyed for generations and it's still very popular today. Let's explore some beautiful hand embroidery ideas and learn why so many people love this creativity craft. One of the most popular embroidery designs is the floral pattern. Flowers are timeless and beautiful. Roses, daisies, sunflowers, and tulips are often used in embroidery projects. Floral designs can be simple or detailed depending on your skill level. They look wonderful on dresses, shirts, pillow covers, tablecloths, and wall decorations. Another favorite design is the leaf and vine pattern. These designs add elegance and natural beauty to any fabric. Green leaves and flowing vines can be combined with flowers to create stunning embroidery artwork. Many people also enjoy butterfly embroidery design. Butterflies symbolize beauty and transformation. Colorful butterfly patterns can make any embroidery project look bright and cheerful. They are often used for children's clothing, handbags, and home decor items. The body embroidery designs birds such as peacocks, sparrows, and human beings create beautiful embroidery pieces. Their colorful feathers allow embroidery artists to use many different thread colors and stitching techniques. For those who prefer traditional style, classic embroidery pattern are a wonderful option. These designs often include geometric shapes, borders, and cultural motifs that have been passed down throughout generations. Traditional embroidery adds a rich and elegant touch to clothing and household items. Simple embroidery designs are perfect for beginners. Small flowers, hearts, stars, and basic shapes are easy to create and help beginners practice different stitches. Starting with simple designs builds confidence and improves embroidery skills over time. One of the best things about hand embroidery is the variety of stitches available. The running stitch is one of the easiest stitches and is often used for outlines. The back stitch creates smooth lines and is perfect for detailed patterns. The satin stitch fills areas with solid color, while the French knots add small decorative details that look like teeny flowers or birds. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with a beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.